Welcome to homework.
In the question, they are asking to find the distance between the lines. L1 line passes through origin and the point A, 2 0 minus 1, and the line L2 passes through the point B, 1 minus 1 1, and C, 4 1 3. So these two lines are having these coordinates, and we have to find the distance between these. So in order to find, first we have to find the equation of these two lines. So the line 1 has origin, that is the coordinates for the origin is 0 0 0, and the another point that passes through this line is 2 0 minus 1. So therefore the direction vector for line L1, v1 vector is equal to oa vector, that can be found using these 2 points. 2 minus 0 is 2, 0 minus 0 0, and minus 1 minus 0 minus 1. Therefore the direction vector for line L1 is 2 0 minus 1, and the point, we can consider any of the points that passes through this line. So let us consider the origin 0 0 0. So using the direction vector and the point, we can find the equation of L1. So the direction vector into x minus the corresponding coordinate value, uh, all the uh, values of each of the coordinates together summed equal to 0 in order to find the equation of line. So after equating this value, the equation of line L1 is equal to 2x minus z is equal to 0. So therefore we have to find also the direction vectors and the point of line L2. So the 2 points that passes through the line L2 is given by B 1 minus 1 1, and C 4 1 and 3. So therefore the direction vector is equal to BC vector, that is equal to 3 2 2. The direction numbers for this vector. Line L2, and therefore we can consider any of the points that passes through this line. Let us consider B, and so therefore the equation for the line L2 will be 3x plus 2y plus 2z equal to 3 for line L2. So now in order to find the distance between the line L1 and L2, we have to find the value of the formula that is used for calculating the distance between the lines, that is the any 2 points that exist in these two lines. So we have to find the direction vector of these two using these 2 points along the line that connects these two lines. So that will be p1 p2 vector with the dot product of the normal vector of both of these lines divided by the scalar value of the normal vector of these two lines. So therefore we have to calculate the cross product of both the direction vectors of these two lines, that is the normal vector of the uh, line that will be the cross product of these two vectors of line L1 and L2. So after calculating the cross product, the value of the normal vector is equal to 2 minus 7 and 4. So therefore, in order to find P1, P2, we have to find now the any of the coordinates we take for the line L2, that is the point B for this, and any of the point for from L1 we can check, that is the origin. So in order to find the direction vector of the line that passes through each of these lines is p1 p2 vector, that is equal to 1 minus 1 and 0. So therefore, in order to find the distance between these two lines, according to the formula, we put all the values. That is the p1, p2 vector dot with the normal vector divided by the scalar value of the normal vector. So the scalar value of normal vector is root under 2 square plus 7 square plus 4 square. So therefore, the value of d is equal to 2 plus 7 plus 4. After computing the dot product of the value in the numerator p1 p2 vector dot n vector, so this divided by the value in scalar for the normal vector of these two lines. So therefore, the value of d is equal to 13 divided by root 69. So hence this is the required answer of the given question.